What's up guys? Here I am at Haskell Free Space Trail in Santa Clarita. There's literally not one soul out here because it's like 85 degrees right now, but I had some errands to do earlier, so I still wanted to give it a shot. Here I am with my Specialized Stump Jumper Evo, my favorite bike. But yeah, the first drop of the day, I actually went down that just now. It's pretty damn steep. It doesn't look like it on camera, but if you come here in person, it's a little bit terrifying. So I'll get a clip of it, show you guys how it looks like. Let's go.
You can do it.
Amazing. That drop is terrifying, man. To me, at least. Now, that's a challenge right there. Really tests your courage level. Going down the Haskell Space Trail in Santa Clarita. Never been here, but it looks promising, so let's get it. Not that well maintained, so but oh well, we go through it. Looks interesting. Never been down here. Oh wow, it's so steep. Really not well maintained. Oh, snap. Whew. Okay. Oh snap. Oh my god. That's crazy. Wow, I just came down from that. That is super steep. And I didn't have any traction, so I couldn't be able to stop. But let's continue. Wow, that's one crazy wooden feature. I'll come back to it, maybe a different time. Ooh, another wooden feature. Wow. Check that feature out too. Okay, I actually checked the other one too. Let me just get a test run. Oh, I think it's sturdy. Let me check it out. Sturdy enough. Oh, sorry, trail builder guys. Never mind, I'm not getting it. Damn it. I'll try next time. I'll come back to it next time that I come here and learn every part of features here. Nice little benches here. Ooh. Yeah, that was a good ride. Short, but to the point. If you guys are ever in Santa Clarita, check out Haskell Canyon Trails. It's short, but it's sweet. Yeah, I chickened out on that wooden feature too, but I'll come back to it and get it next time. Right now it's just too hot. Let's just go home.